Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Kraken's API key for automation. In order for this to work out, you need to go back to your screen and go to the Kraken official website. So log in with your account, okay? And you'll be able right here to see the home page. Click your avatar icon next to the amount of money that you have or next to the currency at the top, right? And then you're gonna see multiple options. Go ahead to the settings. And at the top you're gonna see account, notification, security, activity, and eventually API. So click API, and from here you're gonna be able to generate API for futures trading, right? And you have future trading API. In my case, I'm gonna select the first option right here, create API key for spot trading. And I'm gonna enter the name of the API, okay? And here you're gonna see the select at least one permission to deposit or withdraw. In my case, withdraw. And I'm gonna see right here web socket interface, IP address restrictions, key expiration, query start date, query end date, and custom nonce window. In my case, I'm gonna go ahead and click generate key. I'm gonna use my passkey or authentication app if you have set up your own two-factor authentication. And basically you're gonna be able right here to copy the key so you can enter it for the spot trading. Save your keys in a safe place for security reasons. You won't be able to view them again once you close this dialog. So let's read on the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.